Hello friends, this is my new video. In this video, I will tell you different tips and tricks of a command prompt. So let's start our meeting. There are many ways to open the command prompt. So the first way is to press Windows keys and R. Now write CMD here and press OK. See, our CMD has been opened. Now the second way to open CMD is go to start, write command prompt. Now see, the command prompt, press open and it has been open. Now if you want to check the details of command prompt, press right click and go to properties. Now go to font. This font tell us that the alphabet size is 16. You can change into 18, 20 and many others. I fix it 20. Now if you want to change the color of the background, go to colors. If I wanted to change the color to blue, press blue. See, this is the preview. Now if you want to change the title of the command prompt, this title, it is very boring. If you want to change it, write TITLE, then back space bar and write whatever name do you want. I am writing techno tech. Press enter. See, the name has been changed. Now I will show you the first trick. If you want to check the date in the command prompt, write DATE. Now press enter. See, this is the current date, and in this you can enter your own date. Now if you want to check the time, write TIME. Now press enter. See, this is the current time, and in this you can enter your own time. Now press enter. If you want to check your system info, write system system info. I am not executing it. Okay. Now if you want to check the version of your Microsoft Windows, write VER and press enter. See, this is the version of my Microsoft Windows. If you want to clear all these commands, write CLS and press enter. See, all the commands has been deleted. Now I will tell you how to make a secure folder. For this, first go to this PC. Now go to desktop. I have go to Ayush. Now if I want to make a secure folder here, so click here and write CMD and open it. Now our CMD has been opened. Now if you want to make a secure folder, write MD spacebar. I am writing aux air. You can write anything. AUX and backslash. Now press enter. See, and folder has been named by the name of aux. No one can delete it, move it, or rename. I will tell you if I will show if someone try to delete it, what happens. See, it is coming. Try again. Now, if someone try to move this folder to desktop, see, the folder has not been moved in the desktop. Now, if someone try to rename this folder, rename. If I rename it as Ayush, see, when I press enter, see, it is saying could not find this item. Now, if you want to delete this folder, go to command prompt. Now write RD aux and backslash. Now press enter. See, the aux folder has been deleted. Now I will show you if you want to change the color like this. So first you have to uh, write color info. COLOR color INFO. Now press enter. See, this is the color list. Now this is showing the example. Color FC. Produce light red on bright white. Light, for example, write color FC. When I press enter, see the color has been changed. Now you can also make your own color. Now other example for this is color 0C. Color F0. Color F0. See, the color has been changed. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.